How to recover Microsoft Exchange data from any point in time. CloudAlly Backup enables you to quickly recover one or more backed up files from a particular date, thus securing your Exchange data from loss. Let me walk you through the steps to recover deleted or corrupted data from any point in time. From the home page, locate your Microsoft Exchange backup task. Click the Recovery button on the right side of the screen. Choose the mailbox that contains the data you would like to restore or export. Click Selective Mailbox Recovery. If the email or contact or event you are looking for is recent, it will appear here. But if you deleted it a while ago, you can search by date. Notice that below your username is a date selector. Click on the blue calendar icon to choose your backup date. Select one of the dates with a green dot. Here are the items from that day. Select the email that you would like to recover. From here, you can either restore or export. I will show you both. After you click Restore, select which subservices you would like to include. Choose whether you'd like to return your files to your original account or to a different one. Choose whether you'd like the files to appear in their own folder, that's called non-destructive, or if you'd prefer for them to reappear in the same folder that they came from. You can choose to replace or overwrite any earlier versions in that folder, or you can bypass the earlier versions and only copy the files that are missing. If you need to download your file, click Export. Select which subservices you would like to export, and then choose the destination, zip file, Amazon S3, and that's it. You've begun the process of recovering your lost data. You can check the Jobs page to see the progress of your restore or export. When your export is done, click Download Results to access the data file. Thanks for watching.